Welcome back to my channel Turbo Tune Garage, your ultimate pit stop for everything automotive, where we bring you the latest reviews, specs, features, and updates on the hottest cars in the market. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Mercedes C-Class Sport in an eye-catching black finish, a car that blends luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology with unmistakable elegance. The 2026 Mercedes C-Class Sport is a refined beast, embodying the brand's core values of innovation, comfort, and driving dynamics. In its latest iteration, the C-Class Sport comes with a bold new design language that stays true to Mercedes-Benz heritage while pushing forward into a sleeker, sportier aesthetic. The black color elevates its premium presence on the road, giving it a stealthy, aggressive look that's bound to turn heads. The aerodynamic body is accented with sharp lines and an aggressive front grille, flanked by ultra-slim LED headlights that enhance its futuristic appeal. Under the hood, the 2026 C-Class Sport comes equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, paired with a mild hybrid system that delivers an impressive balance of performance and efficiency. With a power output that hovers around 255 horsepower and torque figures near 295 pound-feet, this car doesn't just look fast, it backs it up with responsive acceleration and refined handling. The 9-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth shifts, while the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system adds traction and control in all weather conditions. Step inside and you're welcomed by a cabin that screams luxury. The interior is wrapped in high-quality materials like leather, brushed aluminum, and soft-touch plastics. Ambient lighting sets the mood, while the ergonomically designed seats provide ample support whether you're cruising through the city or pushing it on the highway. The black-on-black theme continues inside, adding a sense of mystery and class to the already luxurious atmosphere. Tech-wise, the 2026 C-Class Sport is loaded. It features the latest generation of the MBUX infotainment system with a large central touchscreen and a fully digital instrument cluster. The infotainment supports voice commands, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even over-the-air updates, making it one of the most connected vehicles in its class. Drivers can also enjoy advanced safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, making every drive safer and more confident. When it comes to performance, the sport-tuned suspension and precision steering give the C-Class Sport an edge over its competitors. It's not just about straight-line speed. The way this car handles corners and maintains stability at high speeds speaks volumes about Mercedes-Benz's engineering prowess. Whether you're tackling winding roads or gliding on the freeway, the driving experience is both thrilling and composed. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Mercedes C-Class Sport in black starts around the mid-$50,000 range in the United States, with higher trims and optional packages pushing it into the low $60,000s. For that price, you're not just buying a car, you're stepping into a premium lifestyle that offers status, comfort, and performance in one complete package. Overall, the 2026 Mercedes C-Class Sport in black stands as a perfect blend of style, substance, and cutting-edge innovation. It's designed for those who crave performance but refuse to compromise on luxury or technology. Whether you're a Mercedes loyalist or a first-time buyer, this car is definitely worth a close look. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes C-Class Sport. If you enjoyed this video and want more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and updates from the world of automobiles, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Turbo Tune Garage family. Your next ride starts here.